So let's talk about Pfizer. This was one of the many pandemic darlings in which price went from the lows of $27, hit a high of $62 before collapsing after the economy opened back up. They recently reported their quarterly earnings. Price is muted, and we'll see that on a lower time frame. This is despite the company raising earnings and revenue guidance for the fiscal 2024 and beating Q3 result estimates. Here's what the CEO had to say. They delivered another strong quarter of results as they continue to execute with discipline, strengthening their commercial position and advancements made in their pipeline. So this is the monthly chart. Going back some months ago, I did do a video and I mentioned that this was the bottom at that $26 level, and we did get a reaction. We did get some divergence where price made a lower low. However, on the RSI, price made a higher low. And price did hit my first target at $30. The next target is going to be at this wick at $34. I don't have huge price targets because Pfizer is one of those, I'll call it low beta stocks, which means that the relation to their price movement to the broader markets are below average. All right, let's take it down to the weekly chart. And again, you can see that divergence again. Prices are making lower lows, but on the RSI, prices are making higher lows. For my ICT traders, you have a very fair value gap. Down at $27. You got a wick penetrating roughly 50%. One could have went long on that close. And that would have been a good for a reward to risk trade of 2 to 1. So here was that level I marked off on the monthly chart as a second target. What do we see here? Drop, base drop. Prices came back, filled those unfilled orders, and then price dropped once again. Let's examine things a bit closer on the daily chart. This is the makings of that weekly sellers level at $34. And so for the better half of the last 4 months, price has just been sideways. For my option traders out there, you could look at placing iron condors near that $28 and near that $31, but I bet you the volatility isn't great, so your premium isn't going to be great either. So in conclusion, the charts are suggesting if you get a dump in price, a retest near that $26 level, that would be your opportunity to take it long, with your next target coming in at the $34 weekly sellers level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.